Hitler wrote this poem with the purpose of telling the mankind about the nuclear disaster that took place and the plight of the people. This poem is about a small girl that died in this incident. Hiroshima child, I come and stand at every door, but none can hear my silent tread. I knock and yet remain unseen, for I am dead, for I am dead. I'm only 7, though I died in Hiroshima long ago. 7 now as I was then, and children died who do not below. My hair was scorched by swirling flame. My eyes grew dim, my eyes grew blind. Death came and turned my bones into dust, and that was scattered by the wind. I need no fruit, I need no rice. I need no sweets, not even bread. I ask for nothing for myself, for I am dead, for I am dead. All that I need is for peace. You fight today, so that the children of this world can live, grow, laugh and play. Thank you.
As you may know, World War II was a global war that lasted from 1939 to 1945. The atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki caused Japan to surrender to the Allies on 15 August 1945, ending the war. For months afterwards, many people continued to die from effects of burns, illnesses, malnutrition, and acute radiation sickness or ARS. Risk of cancer like lung, breast and others started increasing. Pregnant women experienced deaths among their infants, and the infants who survived were more likely to have health and growth problems. Some of the effects were hereditary and carry on for generations. The survivors, called the Hibabusha, are living witnesses to the horror of nuclear war. Their stories are stories of hope and determination that must not be lost. Many of them are campaigning for a world free of nuclear weapons, resulting in the Treaty on the Prohibitions of Nuclear Weapons, adopted in 2017. The Sadako Sasaki statue is a statue to commemorate all the children's deaths in the war and after. Every year people, mostly children, send paper cranes to be kept near the statue, as Sadako Sasaki had once folded 1,000 of them before her death. Thank you and have a nice day.
Father, where are you? Come soon. I saw lightning. It seems as if it is going to rain. Oh no, this flare is turning wild. This is neither rain nor lightning. Then what is it? Father, where are you? I cannot contain myself. My clothes are dripping all of a sudden. Why am I feeling burned? Ah! Something hit my leg. It is a splinter. Goodness gracious. Father, could you please come and help? I cannot bear this pain and I cannot bear. Oh no! What I see is terrible. All the structures are collapsing. Now I understand. Father is not at home. He is in his clinic. I'm scared. What if? Can anyone please tell me what is happening? I must go and help my father. Oh no. Everybody is in the same state as I am. Ripped, bleeding and unable to contain their pains. Did I hear a bomb blast? An atomic blast? It was too late when I realized that we were all a victim to the atomic bombs dropped on our city. Our beautiful city, Hiroshima, had been reduced to ashes. The radioactive rains pouring down rose the temperature to almost 4,000 degrees. Our people died. It takes about 10 seconds for the fireball from a nuclear explosion to reach its maximum size, but the effects last for decades and span across generations. Why do we fight? Why do we have wars? Who is to benefit? No one, my friends. All of these are futile. It is only losses and losses that we see around us. Let us rise and say no to wars. Let us rise and say yes to peace and harmony. Let us live and let live. Let us live and let live.